Have you ever wondered how your brain sends signals in milliseconds? How you react instantly to danger? Or how your body moves without you even thinking about it? The answer lies in a powerful process called neurophysiology. In this video, we will explain neurophysiology so you can understand how your brain and nervous system communicate, react, and control your entire body. What is neurophysiology? Neurophysiology is the study of how the brain and nervous system function. It explains how electrical and chemical signals travel through your body. Think of it as the operating system of your brain. It controls how you think, move, feel, and respond. How the nervous system works. Your nervous system has two main parts: central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, peripheral nervous system, nerves throughout the body. These systems work together to send and receive information. Electrical signals in the brain. Your brain communicates using electrical impulses. These signals travel through neurons at incredible speed. This is how you can react instantly, even before you fully think. Chemical signals, neurotransmitters. When signals pass between neurons, they use chemicals. These are called neurotransmitters. They help transmit messages from one cell to another. This combination of electrical and chemical signals powers everything you do. Neurophysiology and reflex actions. Some reactions are automatic. For example, if you touch something hot, your hand pulls away instantly. This is called a reflex. It happens through the spinal cord without waiting for the brain. Neurophysiology and movement. Every movement you make is controlled by signals from the brain. Your brain sends commands to muscles through nerves. This is how you walk, talk, and perform actions. Neurophysiology and sensation. Your senses are powered by neurophysiology. Touch, vision, hearing, taste, and smell all depend on signal processing. Your brain interprets these signals to understand the world. Neurophysiology and reaction time. Fast reaction time depends on efficient signal transmission. The faster your brain processes signals, the quicker you respond. This is why practice improves performance. Neurophysiology and stress. When you face danger, your nervous system activates instantly. This is called the fight or flight response. Your heart rate increases and your body prepares for action. What affects neurophysiology? Your nervous system performance can be affected by sleep, stress, nutrition, exercise, mental activity. Healthy habits improve signal efficiency. How to improve brain function naturally. You can support your neurophysiology by getting enough sleep, staying physically active, eating brain-healthy foods, practicing mindfulness. A healthy body supports a fast and efficient brain. Neurophysiology and daily life. Every second, your brain is sending thousands of signals. You are thinking, moving, feeling, and reacting, all because of neurophysiology. It is the hidden system behind your entire life. Your brain isn't just thinking, it's constantly communicating. Understanding neurophysiology helps you see how powerful your mind and body truly are. When you take care of your brain, you improve everything from focus to performance.